Hello to this video where I'm going to show you a demo of the integration between Presidio and Quarkus. As you can read here, Presidio is a data protection and identification SDK. Basically, what Presidio does is identify entities that probably you should anonymize and then provide a way to anonymize them, okay? For example, credit card numbers, locations, names, and so on. And you need to think about a Presidio as a service that it's running, and it provides an REST API so you can interact with it. Then here is the example. I'm just going to start with Quarkus. One of the great things about this extension of Presidio extension is that when you are in depth mode or test mode, and you've got in this case a container engine running, in this case Podman desktop, it boot ups the Presidio instance. Okay, for this example, it's a it's a super easy chat where it anonymizes any important entity, the default ones, all of them as a replace. So it just changes this entity to anonymize it. Then if it's a phone number, then it masks the phone number by setting 4 stars or the last 4 numbers with the stars. And then if it's an email address, then it does a redact. Basically, a redact is removing the entity. Okay, so I've started here the application. I'm just going to start it and say, hello, my name is Alex. And you can see that now Alex detects that it's a name and it changes to anonymize it. Well, basically, it detected that it's a default entity that should be protected. Then I can say my phone number is this one. And now it detects that this is a phone number. And remember that I configured that the phone number should put the stars at the last characters. And then I can also set, for example, things like, and my email address is software@redhat.com. And that's all. And you can see that the email address is not here because remember that I said that an email address should be redacted. So that's super important, this integration with Presidio and Quarkus, because when you're starting using RAC, for example, for the Quarkus LangChain for J extension, or you want to train or fine-tuning your model, probably you need to anonymize this kind of data.